Yet again, Twitter CEO Elon Musk is back with new updates for the microblogging site. And this time he had changed iconic blue bird logo, which had served as a home button on the web version with the Doge meme of the Dogecoin cryptocurrency. Twitter users noticed the Doge meme, which is a part of the logo of the Dogecoin blockchain and cryptocurrency, and was created as a joke in 2013 on the web version of Twitter on Monday. Musk also shared a hilarious post on his account where the Doge meme, which features the face of Shiba Inu in the car and telling the police officer who seems to be seeing his driving license that his photo has been changed. Notably, there was no change on Twitter's mobile app. Bureau Report, Argus News.